fixitfaster is the full package home management app. We have everything for your home in the one place. The best part? Our search is proximity based, meaning you're seeing home service providers, or fixers as we call them, who are already local to you. You'll get notifications when they're on their way, they've arrived, and when the job is done. So say goodbye to 6-hour arrival windows, because you've got better things to do with your time. Here's how to book a job. So, you're in a fix. Don't worry. In your app, choose a service and you'll see the closest fixer first. Swipe through profiles, look at their ratings and reviews, and choose your best fit. Now, tell them what needs fixing. The more detail you can give here, the better. Snap a photo. Selfies are strictly prohibited. And then confirm the job. Your fixer will get a notification, and right away, they can open your job and easily chat with you to sort out any details. Once they're on their way, you'll get notified and you can track them to your door. Give your fixer a rating out of 5 stars and write them a review before you close the job. Happy fixing!